So guys, finally we got this Asus Zenfone Max M2 here. I know I'm late because I'm not a top end YouTuber of India, so yeah, courtesy to Asus. But hey, thanks Asus for sending this smartphone for a review. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the unboxing and first impression video of Asus Zenfone Max M2. Let's begin. Yeah, so this is the box. Looks pretty sleek as you see over here, and on the bags there are so many information like IMEI stickers, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, 6.3 inches of HD plus display, Snapdragon 632. This is a very new processor and it comes between 636 and 630. So let's see how it will perform. We have 4000 mAh battery and 6.3 inches of display. So let's open this box and let's take a look at what inside we have. So first of all, very colorful. We love photo logo over here when we open this. Okay, it's a pouch, so let's open this as well. So on the front, as you see over here, we got this Asus branded SIM ejector pin. Not bad. Then moving inside, we got some paperwork over here, which is not useful in my opinion. Then yeah, we got a case over here. Nice touch, Asus. By the way, quality seems pretty nice. So yeah, let's put this things aside. This is the smartphone itself. So as you see, this is a smartphone. It literally looks like Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, like from the back. So let's put it aside for a moment and let's see what else we got inside this box. So here we got this Asus branded charger, which has an output rating of 5 volt 2 ampere. Not bad. Then we have this micro USB cable, which is just a normal micro USB cable, nothing special over here. But Type C would be really nice, but micro USB is good too. I mean, Redmi Note 7 has Type C port, which is not coming soon. Whatever, then let's put them aside and let's see the phone itself. So guys, this is the smartphone itself. Looks pretty good, and I mean, as of the first impression, the build quality seems very nice. So let me give you a physical overview of this device until it's booting up. So as you see on the top, we have this 3.5mm headphone jack, that is very nice, along with this secondary noise cancellation microphone. On this side, a volume rocker plus power button. So on the bottom, as you see, we have the speaker grill over here, along with this micro USB port, sadly no Type C here, and a primary microphone hole. And on this side, we got this combined SIM tray. So that's very nice. I mean, you can put dual SIMs as well as a micro SD card. So this smartphone has only 32GB of internal storage. So this thing will definitely help it out. So let's put it inside. So on the back, as you see over here, it has dual cameras. The primary sensor is 13 megapixel with the aperture of f1.8. That's very nice. The secondary sensor is 2 megapixel for depth sensing. And then we have the flash over here. And then fingerprint scanner. Hopefully this fingerprint scanner is fast enough as compared to the last year. Then we have Asus logo and nothing else. Some text over here which is not useful in my opinion. This is how the front look like of this smartphone. It looks pretty good with this notch. I mean, I don't like the notch, and the notch size of this particular smartphone is pretty small, so I don't hate it either. So as you see on the front side, we have notch, and this notch contains, I guess, this is 8 megapixel front facing camera with the aperture of f2.0, and then after that we have flash over here. Let me check. I'm not sure about the flash. Yeah, as you see, this is the flash we got over here. Then after that we have this 6.3 inches of 720p display, or I can say HD plus display with 19:9 aspect ratio. So yeah, 269 ppi. But as of the first impression, the display looks pretty fantastic. I mean, when I opened this smartphone, it's not that noticeable that it is a 720p display. I thought it's a 1080p display, but yeah, the display quality seems pretty fantastic, and even the brightness level is pretty good. Let me show you. As you see, it gets plenty of bright, and as you see, wow, amazing, looks pretty good. So as you see in the about phone, it is running on Android 8.0, October security patch, not bad. And by the way, it is running on stock Android, so that's very nice. So let me tell you that this smartphone is running on Snapdragon 632 processor, which is a very brand new processor from Qualcomm, of course. By the way, let me tell you that it is an octa-core processor built on 14 nanometer and of course cryo architecture, so that's very nice. So the processor seems pretty nice. I will test the performance of the processor, but until let's test the performance of the cameras. Seems pretty fantastic. There is a slight delay in this lighting situation. The photos comes out to be really good. As you see, wow, details not bad, huh? I will test the whole camera and make a dedicated camera review, so stay tuned for that. And I will definitely make a gaming review of the smartphone, so yeah, stay tuned for that too. And this is 8 megapixel selfie, and wow, I mean, not bad, huh? Pretty good. I mean, the color are definitely matched up. Right now it's showing something around pink color, but my t-shirt is completely in red color. But yeah, the display is good too. So as of the first impression, I am quite impressed with this smartphone. I will definitely make a full review of this smartphone, so please stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you do find this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button right now. Share this video with your friends who are looking to buy any smartphone in this price category. Let me tell you that this smartphone costs 10,000 rupees. So yeah, if you are looking to buy any smartphone under 10,000 rupees, then you should consider this smartphone. But before considering it, just wait for my full review of this smartphone. I know I'm very late right now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon, so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.